The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Mays County in northeast Oklahoma, southern Rodgers County in northeast Oklahoma, northern Wagner County in northeast Oklahoma, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles southeast of Tulsa and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations in or near the path include Inola, Macy, and Shodo. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 236 and 240. This storm has a history of producing tornadoes. Take cover in a basement or storm shelter now.